Hey guys, I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy M11 versus the Vivo Y30, and the Vivo Y30 comes with a MediaTek Helio P35 chipset with a 4 GB of RAM, while the Samsung Galaxy M11 comes with a Snapdragon 450 chipset with a 3 GB of RAM. And guys, both phones give you a triple cameras on the back, as you can see. So very interesting to see who is perform faster and who is best for you. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And logo came up first, little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy M11, followed by the Vivo Y30. And both phones is running on Android 10. We have One UI 2.0 update compared to a FunTouch OS version 7 on the Vivo Y30, if I am not wrong. And you can see Samsung Galaxy M11 this time it is faster when it comes to booting up, and followed by the Vivo Y30. And guess you can see that both phones comes with a very similar display, but we have a 720p IPS 3 display on the Vivo Y30 compared to a 720p TFT display on the Samsung Galaxy M11. Guys, everything is closed up in the background and you can see no app is running in the background. And we're gonna start off by basic stuff. We have phone dialer and faster on the Samsung Galaxy M11, followed by the Vivo Y30. The settings on both phones, and that is feels faster on the Samsung Galaxy M11 if I am not wrong. So now let's see some third-party stuff. Starting off, we have Amazon Shopping, and you can see that Samsung Galaxy M11 it is faster there, followed by the Vivo Y30, and the scrolling feels little bit smoother on the Samsung Galaxy M11, followed by the Vivo Y30. Let's see the Candy Crush Saga. Let's see how much a difference between a chipset, and we get a Snapdragon 450 compared to a MediaTek Helio P35, and you can see Samsung Galaxy M11 it is faster there. Now let's see the Spotify, and faster on the Vivo Y30. The Subway Surfer on both phones, and let's see, and you can see Samsung Galaxy M11 feels like faster there, but let's see. And you can see Samsung Galaxy M11 it is faster there, while the Vivo Y30 it is about 1 second difference here between these two devices. Temper Run 2, and let's see who is faster there. And you can see that Samsung Galaxy M11 it is just a tiny bit faster there, but I have to say that at the end both phones perform really similar. Let's see, and you can see exactly the same on both phones. Now let's see the Zedge application on both phones, and that is faster on the Samsung Galaxy M11, followed by the Vivo Y30. The Twitter faster on the Samsung Galaxy M11. And last time I launched the cameras on both phones. Default camera app, and that is faster on the Samsung Galaxy M11, followed by the Vivo Y30. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Samsung internet browser on the Samsung Galaxy M11 compared to a Vivo internet browser, wikipedia.org, and faster on the M11, followed by the Vivo Y30. And the scrolling feels really smooth on both phones. Next on the list is the gsmarina.com, and this time Vivo Y30 it is faster there, while the Samsung Galaxy M11 now it is also done. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see it feels really smooth on both phones. So now let's see the RAM expand on both phones, and we get a 4 GB of RAM compared to a 3 GB of RAM on the Samsung Galaxy M11. Now let's start off with the phone dialer, that is refresh on the Vivo Y30. That's settings, refresh on the Vivo Y30. Amazon Shopping, that is again refresh. Let's see the Candy Crush Saga. Spotify, same result. Subway Surfer, and you can see that is refresh. Let's see Temper Run 2, Zedge. Now let's see the Twitter. Last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see, and guys, overall I have to say that the app's opening speed is feels little bit faster on the Vivo Y30 in some areas, but mostly the Samsung Galaxy M11 it is feels faster than the Vivo Y30. But the RAM management it is absolutely incredible on the Samsung Galaxy M11 with the Samsung good optimization, but almost all the application it is refreshed on the Vivo Y30. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy M11 versus the Vivo Y30. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.